This is Nikki in Niagara coming to you live from Niagara Falls, Canada. And it is time for the January Frockbox. This month we have a wonderful selection of colors. I'm really excited. There's this pink, there's yellow plaid, there's black dress, and a black and white skirt. Now I haven't tried anything on. I've only had a brief look at what's here, but I like everything. First thing we're going to try on is a pink blouse here. This is the one that I think is not going to fit me. I think it's going to be way too big, but let's start with that. Okay. Here we go. I must have spent about 10 minutes trying to get this on. I didn't know what was the front and what was the back. So I thought this was the front, but then it like bunched up here and it didn't have any shoulders. So I turned it around this way and it's quite low cut, but it fits properly in the shoulders and stuff. So I'm pretty sure this is the way it goes. I have a blouse that has this lace up. I don't know if I can get close to you. Yeah, I have a blouse that has this lace up, but it's at the front, so that kind of confused me. And the tags are attached at the back here too. I actually like this. I really like it. It's big and baggy, but it'll be great to just throw on and that. And I love the sleeves. Those are really, really interesting sleeves. It fits perfectly across the chest. Now, problem is that I've got these humongously long ties from that thing in the back, but I was thinking that I could tie them around my neck like a choker and tie it up like that. I'm not sure what that looks like. Yeah, that's probably what I would do. Except put it in a bow, whatever. So, yeah, I thought this would be, my pants are falling down. I thought that this would be too big, and I mean, it is large, but it's meant to be, you know, like, woo. I love to twirl and things. So, yeah, I'm actually quite pleased with that. I just really hope I have it on the right way around, because it's longer here, so that makes sense, doesn't it? Or is it longer in the front? I can't tell just looking at the camera. I have to go back and look in the mirror. Okay, so the next thing coming up is another pink shirt. Okay, so here's the next one. This is absolutely gorgeous. I just love this so much. I don't have any shapewear on right now, so I don't really need to worry about this because that will be taken care of when I have some shapewear on. But it fits nicely back here, and look at the buttons. Look at the buttons going down. Can you see? I don't know. Every time I turn, the buttons disappear. I hope you can see them. They go all the way down to here, anyways. And yeah, I love that. I kind of wish the buttons were on the front. I think that would be like more attractive, but it's like a really cool detail to have that on the back. Hopefully you can see them there, because if I turn around and look at the camera, then all I can see is my side. So this, I love. Like I said, if I put some shapewear on, then this will be smoother. But it's, yeah, I love this. Okay, I really, really, really like this. Mustard is one of my favorite colors. And this plaid is really, really nice. And look at this, it's got faux patches on the elbows. And I don't even need to wear shapewear with this. But if I did, it would just smooth this out a bit more. But fits nicely in the behind. And red cross here is fantastic. It's just really, really, really nice. It feels good. Feels really good. I like this. I like this a lot. I love the color. Last month I had mustard and gray. That was the reindeer shirt. But yeah, I love this color combination, and I just love mustard. So yeah, I like this. So far so good. Okay, so the next thing that we're looking at here is the skirt. The shirt is from a previous box. And at first I thought, well, it's hard to tell whether this is black and white or navy and white. It depends. When I get closer to the light, it looks navy, but when I stand away from it, it's more black. But this is really pretty, and I'm going to have to adjust the camera a little bit so you can see. Yeah, so I love the length. Length is really good. The only thing is this stupid ribbon tie. It's just stitched on the top here with top stitching, so it can easily be taken off, which is what I would do, because, I mean, what the heck are you supposed to do with those things? Who wants a great big ribbon tied on their front or on their back or sticking on the back of their butt? No. So yeah, no ribbons, but otherwise I really like it, and it's a pretty pattern. There, I think you can see it. Let me back up a little bit. Yeah, that's a really pretty pattern. It's got kind of like floral design inside those diamonds. Okay. So, yeah, I am pleased with this. This fits really nicely. Perfectly, actually. Yeah, really like that. And it would look nice with a bright top too. I just put this one on because I was just looking for something quick to grab with it. The pink one, I don't know if the pink one would look alright with this, because they both have weird edges. One is too long, so it wouldn't really go with it, but the other one might. I don't know. I'll have to try that on afterwards. Okay, so one thing left, a dress. So, back in a sec. Okay, and finally we have this black dress with a humongous lace yoke on it. The sleeves are lace, and the back is lace as well. Now this is quite form-fitting, and as we've said before, or as I've said before, I don't have any shapewear on, so that would make it more streamlined. I have no worries that it would look better with the shapewear on. The length is good. I think I said that already. I don't mind just above my knees like that. I think I'm wearing a bra that has a collar around your neck, so it looks a little strange, but I think that this works well. What do you think? I think it looks nice at the back. It's hard for me to see. But, yeah, tell me what you think of this dress. Just remember, I don't have any shapewear on, so. Yeah, I really like everything. It is good. It's all good. Okay, so leave your comments down below, please, to help me out. And there's a link down below that I'll leave for you, which gives you a certain percentage off your first box from Frockboxca. They deal only with Canadians. And what else am I forgetting? Oh yeah, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can find out what next month's is. Thank you. Bye bye.